Hello, everyone, and welcome back to Easy English Daily, where learning English is easy and fun. I'm Olivia.
Hello, Olivia. Hello, everyone. It is wonderful to be here today. I'm Jack. How are you today, Olivia?
I'm great, Jack. I'm happy. I have my coffee, and I'm ready to talk. How are you?
I'm very good, thank you. I'm ready too. Today we have a big topic, a very important topic.
Ooh, a big topic. I like big topics. What is it?
The topic today is don't stop when you're tired, stop when you're done.
Ooh, don't stop when you're tired. Stop when you're done. Wow, that is strong, Jack.
It is strong, but it is very, very good. It's about continuing, not stopping.
I love this. This is so important for learning English.
Yes, for English, for work, for cleaning the house.
Oh, yes, cleaning the house.
But before we start, we want to say thank you. Thank you for watching Easy English Daily.
Yes, we are so happy you're here. Please, if you like our podcast, take 1 second and click like.
Yes, a like is wonderful, and please subscribe. Click the subscribe button. It helps our channel very much.
And share. Share with your friends, your family, everyone who wants to learn English in a fun way.
Yes, thank you, thank you, thank you.
Okay, Jack, I am ready. Don't stop when you're tired. Stop when you're done.
Okay, let's talk first about tired. What is tired, Olivia?
Tired is my eyes are sleepy, I want my bed, I want my pillow, my body is slow.
Yes, that is a perfect description. You are sleepy, you want to rest. You want the sofa.
Yes, I love the sofa.
And done. What is done?
Done is finished, complete. The job is 0. The job is finished.
Exactly. My homework is done, my food is done, the work is finished.
So the idea is don't stop when you feel sleepy, stop when the work is finished.
Yes, and this is hard.
Very hard.
Let's think about learning English.
Okay, our students are learning English.
And learning English is a big job. It is not fast.
No, it's not one day. I study, I listen, I read, and my brain is tired.
My brain is tired too. Sometimes I read a book in English, 1 page, 2 pages, 3 pages, and my eyes are sleepy.
Yes, you want to close the book and watch TV.
Exactly. TV is easy. English is work. But is the lesson done?
No, the lesson is not done. I am tired, but I must continue.
Keep going. But how, Olivia?
Yes, Jack, how? I'm so tired.
Maybe the goal is too big. Reading a whole book is too big.
Yes, a whole book is scary.
Let's make a small goal. Read 2 pages, or read for 10 minutes.
10 minutes. Okay, I'm tired, but I can do 10 minutes.
Yes, and when 10 minutes is finished,
I am done.
you are done for today.
Wow, that feels good.
And how do you feel now, Olivia?
I feel tired, but I also feel good. I feel proud. I did it.
Yes, you studied your English.
But if I stop when I'm tired, I close the book and watch TV, how do I feel later?
Later?
Later, I feel bad.
Bad? Why?
Because I didn't study. The TV was okay, but my English made no progress.
Exactly. You were tired and sad. That is not good.
No, tired and sad is very bad.
Tired and happy is much better.
Yes, I like tired and happy.
So, small steps. The goal is done for today.
Yes.
Let's think about exercise.
Exercise. Okay.
Do you like exercise, Olivia?
I like walking.
Walking is great exercise.
Yes, I like to walk in the park. My plan is to walk for 30 minutes.
That's a good goal.
I start walking, 5 minutes, easy. 10 minutes, good. 15 minutes, I'm tired. My legs are tired. I'm hot.
I know that feeling. And you see a chair, a nice, comfortable chair.
Yes, the chair is calling my name. Olivia, sit, rest.
Hello, Olivia.
I am very tired. I want to stop.
But what is the goal?
The goal is 30 minutes.
And you were at 15 minutes.
Yes, I am tired, but I am not done.
This is the important moment. What do you do?
I think about tired and sad.
Good.
I don't want tired and sad. I want tired and happy, so I continue.
Yes, keep going. Maybe walk slowly, not fast.
Okay, I walk slowly. 20 minutes, 25 minutes,
You are almost there.
30 minutes. Finished. Done.
Wow, good job, Olivia. How do you feel now?
I am very tired, but I feel strong. I feel happy. I did it.
Yes, now you can sit on the chair.
Now the chair is a prize.
Exactly. A reward. You work first, then you rest.
I like that. Rest is a prize, not stopping.
Yes, you earned the rest.
This is very good. Okay, English, exercise. What about the kitchen?
Oh no, the kitchen.
After dinner, I cook, I eat, I am full, I am happy, and I am very tired.
Very, very tired.
I look at the kitchen. Plates, glasses, pots, a big, dirty job.
And the sofa is calling.
Always. Olivia, TV.
And you think maybe tomorrow.
Yes, tomorrow.
The bad word.
Yes, because in the morning, the kitchen is still dirty.
And now you are not tired, but you are sad.
A sad morning, a bad start to the day.
So what do you do?
I say, no, Olivia, not tomorrow. I stop when I am done.
Good.
I wash the plates, I wash the glasses, I clean the table. Maybe 20 minutes.
You are tired, but...
But it is done. The kitchen is clean.
And now the sofa.
The sofa is amazing. I am tired, but I am proud.
Proud is a great word.
Yes, I am proud. The kitchen is clean. I am happy. I can relax.
See? The hard choice now makes you happy later.
And the easy choice, tomorrow, makes me sad later.
Exactly. Don't stop when you're tired. Stop when you're done.
I understand now. Study, work, exercise, cleaning, it's not always fun.
No, it is work.
But the done feeling, that is fun.
Yes, the done feeling is the prize.
But Jack, why is it so hard? Why do we always want to stop?
Good question. I think our body and our brain want comfort.
Comfortable, yes. The sofa is comfortable. The bed is comfortable.
And work is not comfortable.
No, work is uncomfortable.
So our brain says, stop. Go to the sofa.
My brain says that all the time.
But comfort now is not progress.
Progress. What is progress?
Progress is moving forward, getting better, learning new things.
Progress is learning 3 new English words.
Yes, progress is walking 30 minutes, not 15.
Progress is a clean kitchen.
And progress makes us happy.
Comfort now is small happiness.
Work now is big happiness later.
Wow, that is very true.
So when you are tired and want to stop, what do you do?
What is the secret?
Secret number 1, remember the goal. Why did you start?
I started English because I want to travel and meet new people.
Good. When you are tired, think travel. Think new friends.
Don't think tired, think goal.
Exactly. Secret number 2, make the steps small.
Yes, 10 minutes.
Don't think 3 hours. That is too big.
3 hours? I go to bed.
Me too. Think 1 lesson. Think 5 sentences.
Small goals are easy to finish.
And when you finish, you feel good.
I am done.
And maybe you have energy for 1 more small step.
5 more minutes.
Exactly. Small steps make a big journey.
Is there a secret number 3?
Yes, the prize.
I like prizes.
Me too. The prize comes after the work.
Sofa after cleaning.
Coffee after studying.
Music after walking.
Perfect. The prize helps you finish.
So, 1, remember the goal. 2, small steps. 3, prize after.
This is how you stop when you are done, not when you are tired.
I feel motivated.
You are strong, Olivia.
And everyone listening, you are strong too.
Learning English is a big job, and sometimes you are very tired.
You study, and you think your English is slow.
And you want to stop.
But don't stop. Remember your goal. Travel, friends, a good job.
Make one small step today.
Learn 3 new words.
And when you are done, get your prize.
Listen to 1 English song.
That is a great prize.
Keep going. You can do it.
We believe in you.
Wow, Jack, this was a great talk. I feel ready to clean my house.
And I am ready to finish my work for today.
Don't stop when you're tired. Stop when you're done.
That's right.
Thank you so much for listening to Easy English Daily.
Yes, thank you everyone.
If you liked this topic, please subscribe.
And give this video a big like if you feel motivated.
We have a question for you.
In the comments, tell us one small goal you will finish this week.
1 chapter? 1 room?
Write it in the comments. We love to read them.
Keep going, everyone. You are doing a great job.
See you in the next episode.
Bye-bye.
Bye. Keep working.